Hello coder kittens. Today we will be making a timer application in JavaScript. You can use any text editing software for this, but I will be using VS Code. We begin by making the timer element to display the time. Then we add the script to update it. Start the timer on 0 and then use document.getElementById to update its text with the time. We will now save the file so we can see our work so far. Make sure you save it as an HTML file. Once you have saved the file, open it in your favorite browser. I will be using Internet Explorer, but you can use any other browser that supports JavaScript, for example Netscape. Now that we can show the time, we need to find a way to run it again to update it. Luckily, Internet coders thought of this problem before and have given us a solution. The solution is simply to create an iframe that will run the code again. But there is a problem. We now have an ugly iframe messing everything up, like you when your mom has her boyfriend over. Again, the solution is simple. By inserting the iframe inside the JavaScript, it will stay hidden like you in your mom's basement. To run our code in it after 1 second, we write a meta tag to it to refresh after 1 second. Finally, to make the code in all the frames use the timer in the top frame, put window.top in front of everything. Don't forget the double plus to make the timer go up each time. Now refresh the page to yes, of course. Now open the page in Firefox to see our timer in action. There is just one problem left. Do you see it? Of course. The problem is that current technology is too limited for such an advanced timer. In other words, the basement cannot hold you anymore and you need to move out. First we check the frames document to see if there's still room in the basement. Then, if there is no more room, we empty the basement to make room for your siblings. Also move this line so it doesn't run twice when it's full. Now refresh the page again to see our timer work with great success. And there you have it. You may now apply for a job at Google or Apple. Also make sure to like and subscribe to not lose your job. Thank you for watching. Have a very blessed day.